Hey guys, I got a brand new mining site, which is also Tron mining site for you, and I want to show you how we can quickly take advantage of this platform. We have 50 Tron on our wallet, which is withdrawable, and I want to show you how to do that in this video. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video to the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites, just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time you're listening to my voice and you're watching my video, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can take advantage of this platform quickly, but before we go any further, you need to sign up to this platform. So there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click on it and sign up with your phone number. You don't need to put your code, your country code. Just start with your number and put your password, your transfer password, that's your security password, and you are good to go. So quickly, what we need to do here in order for us to be able to withdraw from this 50 Tron that's on the platform right now, it's by depositing in order to activate the account. So the first thing I will show you here is how to deposit on this account. Now, before I go any further, also I need to make this clear to you that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you quickly how you can make some extra cash online using all this platform, all this kind of mining platforms. They are kind of risky. Make sure you do a thorough research before you join any or invest in them. All right, so all you need to do now is click on deposit. Okay, so you can go ahead and read whatever is here that is going on here. You need to read to understand whatever it is. So before investing, please, you should always read and go ahead, know what's going on here first. So now we're going to choose the transfer to basic account. Yes, now the minimum you can deposit here is 5 Tron. So all you need to do is copy your address. Okay, then all I need to do is to go to my wallet. I think I have some Tron in my wallet. All I do is okay. All right, send. I have some Tron here. I'm gonna paste the address I copied from there. I put, okay, let me put 50 Tron and continue. Okay, confirm it. Okay, now 50 Tron is gone. Let's go to the wallet, to the platform, and recharge complete. Click on recharge complete. Okay, yes, I think my wallet has been credited, which is over here. My wallet has been credited 50. Okay, so now let's see how to withdraw from this platform quickly by clicking on user withdrawal. Okay, now our balance has increased to 100, meaning we can get 10% daily. You can see it over here, meaning we can withdraw 10% daily from this platform. So quickly, let me show you how to withdraw, and meaning in 10 days we should be able to make back, in 5 days we should be able to make back our 50 Tron we added, and also should be able to withdraw this 100 Tron over here. So quickly, let me just show you how to withdraw. You do your basic account. Yes, it's basic account. Then the amount you want to withdraw, let's put 10. can put 10, then you copy your wallet address, you bring it back here. Okay, put my wallet address over here, then enter my security password, then confirm. Okay, now if we draw 10 from the wallet, so let's see if we are going to, how long would it takes for us to get it in our wallet. Alright, I think I just get that. Okay, you can see it over here, received 10 Tron from wherever. I just got the 10 Tron in my wallet right now. So we can withdraw 10% of the money on our balance every day. So in the next 5 days I should be able to get back my 50 Tron, and also should be in the next extra 5 days following, I should be able to withdraw this 100 Tron in total. So that is how you can take good advantage of this platform. You can, it depends on how much you decide to put. I'm not advising you to put in a very huge amount, but the decision is still yours to make. I'm not a financial advisor, I told you all earlier on. So it's invest at your own risk. So we just got it in the wallet, and that's how it works. So you can also take good advantage of the what's it called, the theme of building the referral program. Refer and earn reward. Share your referral link. You can come over here, you copy your referral link over here, copy it and go to your WhatsApp, share it, and earn about, I think you'll be earning about 17% of whatever the person. So that's how you can take advantage of this platform. So if don't forget, this is for the risk takers, those that can take risk. If you can take risk, you'll be making your money back in the next 5 days, or even less than 5 days if your deposit is higher. And also in the next following 5 days you can make extra 50% of your money on this platform. So if you have no idea about cryptocurrency and you want to also know how to make some extra cash online, and you have no idea about how this function, how this online system works at all, you should download the Learn and Earn app from the Play Store. There's a link in the description of this video where you can click and download from Play Store directly the Learn and Earn app, where you can go into the app, read on the app section, on the blog section, and also watch some tutorial videos which can help you on how to start an online journey. So if you like what I just showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you are new and you want to see more of this kind of updates. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and you can also share, and do not forget to click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload new videos. So I'll see you again in the next video, guys. Bye.